Alright, now we're going to solve question 41 from chapter 1 tutorial. So 41a, sketch and shade the region are bounded by the curves y equals x squared plus 2 and line 2y minus x equals 2. Alright, first we need to also note the other boundaries, which are x equals 0 and x equals 2. Okay, now let's sketch the graph. So we have the straight line, which is equal to which is 2y minus x equals 2, or if we rearrange that, we get x over 2 plus 1. And then another one is we have a curve. Okay, so the curve and the straight line are not in any intersection, so they don't have any intersection, but we have a boundary which is a straight line of x equals 2. Okay, so this is the area in the middle is where we are going to find its a value of area. So it's, yeah, we put blue color in there, and then now we're going to integrate in order to find the area of the blue region. So a is equal to the integration from 0 to 2 of x squared plus 2 minus x over 2 plus 1. Okay, so in this case we put the curve minus the straight line, because the curve is above the straight line, as you can see here. All right, so now we're going to proceed with the integration. Okay, we have x x squared minus x over 2 plus 1 dx, and then x to the power of 3 over 3 minus x to the power of 2 over 4 plus x, and then from 0 to 2, and then substitute 2 and 0, we get 8 over 3 minus 1 plus 2 minus 0, which is equal to 11 over 3 units squared. So that is the answer for question 41a. Okay, now let's try question 41b. Okay, we're gonna do the revolution of 2 pi radian, or 360 degrees, about the x-axis. So our integration will be with respect to x. Okay, so the graph is the same, it's just that we are going to do the revolution, right? So for y equals x squared plus 2, y squared become x squared plus 2 bracket squared. So if we expand that, we get x to the power of 4 plus 4x squared plus 4. And then the next one is for y equals x over 2 plus 1, y squared becomes x over 2 plus 1 to the power of 2. Okay, and then we expand that, we get x squared over 4 plus x plus 1. So we have that one and this one. Okay, the one that is above, the curve is above the straight line, so it's the curve minus the straight line. And then we put pi, the integration from 0 to 2 of x to the power of 4 plus 4x squared plus 4 minus x squared over 4 plus x plus 1 dx. So as you can see from the graph, okay, the curve is above the straight line. So this one is for the curve, okay, and then the other one is for the straight line. All right, now we're going to proceed with the integration. Okay, we have to simplify first, or do some rearrangements, okay, so that we don't make careless mistakes here in terms of integration. All right, so we have x to the power of 4 plus 4x squared plus 4 minus x squared over 4 minus x minus 1 dx. Okay, and then we have x to the power of 4 plus 15 over 4x squared minus x plus 3 dx. And then after that we have pi times x to the power of 5 over 5 plus 15x cubed over 12 minus x squared over 2 plus 3x. And then don't forget the boundaries, which are from 0 to 2. Alright, I'm going to proceed on the same page. Okay, so now we have we're going to insert the values. So we have 32 over 5 plus 10 minus 2 plus 6, and then minus 0. So in the end, we're going to get 102 over 5 pi unit cube. So that will be the answer for question 41b, which I am highlighting here with a yellow color. Right, so that's all for question 41.